What's going on, everybody? Jared Setzer here, and this is my first driveway and roof cleaning video. I got the roof off of a Home Advisor lead, and I went there. I did the roof the first day, and the guy asked for me to come back and do the concrete the next day. In total, this job is $750 altogether. It was about $260 for the driveway and about $450 for the roof. So I've got footage of both of them. I hope y'all enjoy. This right here is pressure washing the side patio. Where I'm pressure washing right now, I'm gonna have to go back over again with the wand. Unfortunately, the surface scrubber wasn't, didn't have enough power to get the deep dirt in there up, so I had to come back through whenever I rinsed it off with the wand and spray it with the wand and make sure that I got all of this stuff cleaned out of there for these people. This is the back porch. It went really well. The guy asked me to move everything off the back porch, which wasn't a problem. I did it. There was probably 3 benches, like a table there, and just a couple other little things they had on the back porch, some bricks and stuff like that. The guy was really nice. Of course, I'm going to do a good job for him. The guy, he had me back to do the concrete as well. He seemed to really like me. You gotta kind of put off a persona of wanting to be there when you are there, and it tends to work out really well. I'm using a 4200 PSI Generac pressure washer and a Simpson surface scrubber that I bought online. They work really well together. I normally don't have problems, but because of how deep this stuff was on this back part, luckily this was the only spot that I had to pressure wash the wand, so I got it done with the wand and moved on to the front afterwards. Of course, I did the sidewalks, I did the curb, I did the entire roof. I'll put before and after pictures of the roof. I did the front brick. I had a bunch of chemical left over from the roof, so I went ahead and just sprayed the front brick as well. I've got video and pictures in the end of this video, so stay tuned. This next video that I'm going to put up is a Colorado video. I'm on my way to Colorado this next week, so expect a video for that. Thank y'all so much for watching once again, guys. I'm going to be doing an interview with Forever Self-Employed. Everybody go check him out. He's got a great page. He posts a lot of cool stuff, so be on the lookout for the interview. Feel free to leave some comments, some questions below. Feel free. I'd love to help y'all guys out with whatever questions y'all have, any problems you're running into with the pressure washing game, anything like that. But thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned to the end. It's a great video. The roof and the sidewalk turned out really well, so I'm going to put before and after pictures of most of the stuff in the end. Stay tuned to the end, and like I said, leave a comment and show some love below. Thanks. Take it easy, guys. Bye.
Thanks.